Hey everyone, this is Robert Mercado coming to you with a very exciting tool called Facebook Retargeter. It is web-based and compatible for PC and Mac that allows you to legally stalk your prospects by having your ads follow them all around, whether it be promoting an affiliate product, your own product, a business opportunity, a Teespring campaign. You're literally going to be able to multiply your sales on any Facebook ad by retargeting your prospects over and over again and save potentially thousands of dollars in advertising costs. Now, let me show you how you would simply do this in your back office once you pick up your copy of Facebook Retargeter. It's literally 3 simple steps. Step 1, you're going to create a retargeting audience name. So for example, for a police shirt that I'm using as an example. So we would name that police shirt Teespring or whatever you want to name it. Step 2 is to paste in a retargeting pixel code. Now, anytime you create an audience in Facebook, you will actually be given a pixel code. So all you do is here in your ads manager, you're going to right click and copy that code. And all you're going to do is paste it right into Facebook Retargeter. Then for step 3, you're going to place the website URL that you want to retarget. So for example, this is the site that I want to retarget, which basically means that anytime a prospect visits this page, they are going to continue to see that ad or that page inside of their Facebook newsfeed over and over and over again. Think about it real quick. Have you ever searched for something online for a product or a service, and then you go back to your Facebook and you notice that that product or service is there? There's an ad there promoting it, and you're like, how the heck did that get there? How did Facebook know that I was searching for that item? Well, you've been retargeted. So now back to finishing step 3. I'm actually going to paste that URL right in there. I'm going to click Generate URL, and boom, you just generated a URL in a split second, and you would use this when creating your ads. No need to download or install any plugins or do anything technical whatsoever, folks. I don't know about you, but I like my marketing and any tool I decide to buy to be kept as simple as possible. Literally anything you want to promote, you can now retarget every single person that has visited your website at least once over and over again. And the best part is, they will all automatically be placed on a list for you so that you can retarget. And by the way, you can advertise any offer you'd like to them. So for example, you have that list that is now on Facebook of all the visitors on that page you chose. Then you can target that same audience with any ad that you'd like. Pretty awesome to hear, right? I'll explain in detail in just a bit, but first, can we all agree that it can usually take a couple of times of someone seeing the same offer in order to make a buying decision to then buy on the spot? Of course, right? Well, my question to you, my friend, is whether it's your second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or even seventh time that it took that prospect to decide to buy your product or join your business, were you the one in front of them? Probably not, right? Well, with Facebook Retargeter, now you certainly will be. Let's face it, there are times you have hot leads on your sales page ready to buy, and for whatever reason they didn't complete the transaction. They could have gotten distracted and closed off your page. In fact, you may have been on a page ready to buy, and then all of a sudden you got to run and pick up the kids, or dinner's ready, etc. Well, without Facebook Retargeter, that's a customer loss, and possibly hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in business. Grab your copy below for only a ridiculously low one-time payment of $27, folks. As powerful as that is by itself, Thomas and I wanted to literally spoil you. So wait, there's more. You will also get complete complimentary access into a Facebook graph search tool, which retails $97, as well an offer page tool, which is a retail value of $47. Let me show you quickly what each of them do, and again, this is absolutely free for only within 2 hours of you being on this page. This is not just some scarcity tactic. We are literally limiting this for only 2 hours, and we will track this from your IP address. Now with Facebook Graph Search, you're going to have a little icon right here that you see my mouse scrolling over, and anything that you type into the graph search bar here, you're going to be able to export the UIDs for that search. So for example, I put people who like Robert Mercado, right? So what happens is, if I wanted to, export the user IDs of everyone who likes me on Facebook, I would actually just click this little button here. And what it's going to do is it's going to start exporting all the user IDs. It says click OK to start the graph search export. I'm going to hit OK. And there it goes. It starts exporting page by page by page by page. Folks, this is incredible. And let me show you exactly what the other tool does now. Now for the offer tool, this thing is incredible as well. You're going to simply type in any site that you'd like to drive traffic to. And here's the magic behind it. Let's say we wanted to drive traffic to CNN.com. Now you might say, well, Robert, why do you want to drive traffic to a site you don't own? Well, watch this. We're going to do CNN.com, a well-known site, right? Has authority and all that. The offer pop-up URL is a site that you want to appear when someone goes to exit the page. So for example, I'm going to actually use the site facebookretargeter.com, right? For the offer pop-up size, I'm just going to do 500 by 500. You can play around with the sizes there. Then you could actually show offer pop-up on an exit, on a timer, or an exit plus a timer. An exit pretty much means when they go to exit the site, your offer will pop up before they're able to close the site. Or you can do a timer by itself or both. So I'm going to do an exit site. I'm going to generate the URL. It takes seconds, as you just saw, it just generated the URL. I'm going to copy this URL, open it in a new browser, and folks, what happens is now we are on CNN.com, the main site for CNN.com, right? So let's say we wanted to talk about a story that was on this page. Anytime a prospect or anyone goes to this link that you provided and they go to exit, watch this, boom, your page comes up as an offer, and again, you can use any page that you like to promote. Folks, this is powerful and this is complementary with your purchase for Facebook Retargeter. Folks, scroll down and grab your copy of Facebook Retargeter for only a one-time payment of $27. The price will definitely be increasing. Grab your copy and we'll see you on the inside. Oh yeah, in case you didn't decide to buy now, which I highly doubt, we'll see you on the Facebook newsfeed. Thanks to the power of Facebook Retargeter. We appreciate your time, folks, and we'll see you on the inside.